Let's learn how to create Liquify effect in Photoshop. You can find the image link in the provided description below. First, we will select the subject. You can do it from the Select Subject button or Object Selection tool. Let's select the subject now. After selecting the subject, duplicate it with Ctrl+J. Now let's convert this duplicate layer into a smart object. Once that's done, go to the Filter menu, click on Liquify. Let's drag into right side and hit OK. Now go to the adjustment layer and click on the black and white effect. Then make it as a clip-in mask. You can play with the colors as well. Let's do some editing for making it to look more better. Select the background layer. Go to adjustment layer and choose color lookup. Then you can look for the best one. If you want to download the Photoshop beta completely for free, click on the right side tutorial then. Thank you.